You're the resident. Think fast. Can you handle it?
J. Smith, 68 male, SOB for 2 days, yellow sputum, fever, 38.2 Celsius.
Okay, Doc. What are your differentials?
My differentials are pneumonia COPD exacerbation, heart failure, pulmonary embolism.
What are your diagnostics?
Focal infiltrate, hypoxia, and leukocytosis confirms a lower respiratory tract infection. Normal ECG may rule out cardiac cause of SOB.
What is the most likely diagnosis? Nice pick if you chose pneumonia. Fever, cough, sputum, crackles, and focal infiltrate, that's textbook. But don't forget the overlap with COPD and P. Always think broadly before narrowing. What's your plan, Doc?
Start ceftriaxone, plus azithro, supplemental O2, monitor vitals, plus ABGs, encourage incentive spirometry. Don't forget sputum, plus blood cultures.
You made the right call, but what if his O2 sats drops to 85% on 4 liters?